And I know that you and I share that idea that we are in public service to make a real difference in the life of our people. That we go around, we campaign, we say that we will do certain things because we think that most of them are the right things to do for our people. And when we do get an opportunity, we make the effort. And I must say that I'm extremely proud of the work that you have done as governor so far. You have lived up to the expectations that you promised us, and I'm not talking about the people. And you promised us, your friends. And I must say that I'm especially pleased to be associated with the success that I've seen, even in the very short time that I've been here. I was quite particularly touched by the new law, senior citizens in Abia State. I think it's one of those very important issues that we have to address. And again, it was one of the issues that came up even in the conference today, that we're saying that one of the reasons why the gospel of Jesus Christ transformed nations was especially because of the concern for the poor and vulnerable. And if you look at the great welfare schemes all over the world, they all came, especially the ones in the Western nations, they all came from teaching of the gospel, from taking care of the least of those in our society and the most vulnerable. So I'm really personally impressed and happy that you have been able to actually pass a law that makes it mandatory for elderly citizens to receive free health insurance. I think that is excellent to do. And of course, I've seen so many other things there, the road networks. I want to say thank you very much for doing what you, not just what you promised, or perhaps more important, making public service worthwhile. Because really, sometimes you wonder whether or not, with all the effort that we made in trying to get into office, when we get there, are we able to deliver on the things that we say we deliver? So thank you very much, and I congratulate you on the great work that is going on. And I pray that you will do it and do it better in the months and years to come. So happy birthday again. I pray for you that as your days, so shall your strength, so shall your wisdom, and so shall your favor of the Almighty God. In Jesus' mighty name. Thank you.